is a special day. It's Mom's birthday! She loves it when I make her something from my heart. So I thought, why not draw a real heart in MS Paint, fill it with bright red color, and print it for her birthday card. I know just how to do it, and I'll show you too. Okay, step 1. Let's find the heart shape. Click on the Shapes tool in the toolbar. Scroll and select the heart shape. Now click and drag your mouse to draw the heart on the screen. Make it as big or small as you want. Step 2. Red is the color of love, so I'm filling it with that. Mom will know how much I love her. Go to the Color 1 box and select Red color. Click the Fill with Color tool. It looks like a paint bucket. Click inside the heart. Yes! A perfect red heart, just like I imagined! And that's it! A heart made with love, using just shapes and fill and paint. I'll ask Dad to help me print this heart, and then I'll write a nice message by hand. You should try making a heart too. Give it to your mom and tell her how much you love her. It'll make her really happy. See you in the next episode with more fun in MS Paint.